In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Godaddy website password protected. This is a fantastic way to restrict access to certain parts of your site, making it exclusive to a specific audience, whether it's for members only, a private blog, or confidential company information. Getting started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate your way to the Godaddy website. Once there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Here you'll type in your username and password associated with your Godaddy account. Make sure your details are correct to avoid any login issues. Then click on the sign in button to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, locate the website section of your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens concerning your website's backend. Within this section you'll see the option to edit website. Clicking this will take you directly into the website editor, a powerful tool that lets you control various aspects of your site, including its password protection settings. Upon entering the editor, navigate to the Website tab. This area functions as the nerve center for your website settings, including security and access controls. If you're having trouble finding this, look for the clickable link that often goes directly to the Website tab feature from within the editor. The visual cues and icons here are designed to guide you smoothly through the process. Next, you'll want to select the specific page you wish to make private. You can do this by clicking on your chosen page from the list displayed in the editor. Pages are often represented with thumbnails or titles, so identify the one you're targeting for password protection. After selecting your page, you'll notice a gear icon, typically symbolizing settings or options somewhere within the page's editor view. Click on this icon, which will open up a menu of additional page settings and configurations. Within this menu, look for something labeled Page Settings. It's here that you delve deep into customizing how your page behaves and how visitors interact with it. Click on Page Settings to proceed to the next step. Once in the page settings, you'll find an option labeled Private Page. This is the setting you'll need to engage to initiate password protection for your page. Clicking on Private Page effectively switches your page status from public to private, meaning it will no longer be accessible to the general public without a password. Clicking Private Page might prompt you to set up a specific password for this page. This step is crucial as it ensures that only visitors who have this password can access the content on this page. Choose a strong, unique password that isn't easy to guess but is memorable enough for you and your intended audience. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a password-protected page on your Godaddy website. It's a straightforward process that doesn't take much time, but provides an added layer of security and exclusivity to your website. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips. First, consider regularly updating your password to maintain security, especially if you've shared it with a significant number of people. Second, make sure to communicate the password effectively to your audience, ensuring those who need access can get it without hassle. Restricting access to parts of your website can be a powerful tool, whether for privacy, security, or creating an exclusive member area. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to make your Godaddy website password protected with ease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this.